Hi guys, I am back today with another video. I am doing a rainbow cake today. This is a vanilla cake that I just have colored into 6 different shades. I'm also using my buttercream frosting. And I'm just going to repeat the process for each layer. Okay, and on with the final layer of cake, making sure that my cake is nice and even, and then I'm going to start with the crumb coat. Basically, a crumb coat is just a thin layer of frosting. That way when I go back in to finish my cake, I don't have any crumbs showing. Okay, and now I'm just finishing off my crumb coat. I'm going to place this back into the freezer for it to chill, and I'm going to start coloring my buttercream. Here I just have a small dollop of buttercream on a plate, and I am coloring it the same shades as I did with my cake layers. Now let's get to putting the rainbow on my cake. And I'm just using a small spatula and just putting small dollops of my rainbow colored buttercream on my cake. And I'm repeating the process throughout the middle of my cake. And then once that's done, I go back in and I just try to smooth it out a little bit while leaving a little bit of texture on the middle. And now I have my regular buttercream in a piping bag, and I'm just piping dollops of buttercream onto the edges of my cake. And then I'm going to go back in and smooth it out. And of course some buttercream on the top of my cake as well. And here I did make sure that my spatula was nice and warm, that way my buttercream comes out a little bit smoother. Finishing off the top with just a little swirl. And now we can start painting my gold on here. And I'm just using some edible gold liquid to paint on to my cake. And I'm going to do this with all of the edges of the white buttercream. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is a rainbow fault line cake with a surprise rainbow cake inside. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this cake. If you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.